And by you being here today and going in and meeting with these members, engaging with them, oh, all right, this is what a day looks like at a yeshiva. This is the study, the subjects, the amount of subjects that we learn at the yeshivas.
It's really incumbent on each person to take it upon themselves to have that responsibility to repair the world. And it could mean driving the 155 miles up here.
A unique thing that we learn is that we're so community-oriented, and that has really inspired me to be in public office today.
3 of us saw that we can change the world through government, through the actual mechanics of what happens up here in Albany. More importantly, it's what you do outside of the classroom, how many community service hours you do, because all of that ties into leaving your community better than you found it.